Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you just started CPAP therapy, you probably have a lot of questions. What should you expect? How long will it take to get used to it? What if it doesn't work right away? But in this video, I walk you through what typically happens week by week when starting CPAP therapy, based on what many patients experience, and how to make the transition smoother. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you to get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. So let's get started. The first week is all about getting used to the feel of the mask and the airflow. You might notice a strange sensation when breathing, trouble falling asleep with the mask on, some mask leaks or red marks, or even feeling tired after a full night's sleep. That's normal at the beginning. In that case, I suggest you to try wearing the mask during the day while watching TV, use a CPAP bell or mask liner if you feel irritation. On our website oxigo.co you can find a full range of accessories meant to make your journey easier. Around week 2, your body starts adjusting. You might notice fewer awakenings during the night, slightly more energy during the day, or even less snoring. Maybe you can ask your bed partner. Less brain fog or morning headaches. If you're still feeling uncomfortable, try adjusting the humidifier or talk to your provider about mask options. Also, if you wake up in the middle of the night feeling frustrated or overwhelming, it's okay to take a break. Just remove the mask, take a few breaths, and tell yourself, I'll try again tomorrow. You're not in a race. CPAP is a journey, and everyone adjusts at their own pace. If you feel ready to put the mask back on, go for it. But if not, that's perfectly fine too. What matters most is staying consistent over time, not being perfect every night. By week 3 or 4, CPAP may start feeling like a normal part of your night routine. You may begin to fall asleep faster with a mask on, wake up less during the night, or notice improved focus or mood during the day. See fewer symptoms of sleep apnea overall. This is when most people start to understand, okay, this is really helping me. Here are a few common issues that might come up in the first month. Feeling claustrophobic, dry mouth or dry nose, mask leaking, machine too noisy, or even traveling. And if you want to know how to fix these problems, just watch the full video on our channel. The link is down below in the description. If after 2 or even 4 weeks you still feel exhausted or can't tolerate the mask at all, or even have consistent leaks or wake up gasping for air, don't just stop using the machine. Talk to your sleep doctor or equipment provider. Sometimes small adjustments can make a big difference, like setting a different pressure or trying a different size mask. And here's how to stay on track. Set a nightly routine to get ready for your CPAP. Keep your equipment clean. Use comfort accessories like CPAP pillow or hose lift, and remember to replace filters and mask parts regularly. CPAP works best when you use it consistently. So, starting CPAP isn't always easy, but it can be life-changing when you stick with it. If you're looking for comfort products or cleaning tools or help choosing the right mask, check out oxigo.co. We're here to support your journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos on CPAP therapy. Don't forget to follow us on social media too, and you will find all the links below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.